We begin in Washington, where President Biden recently announced a plan to expand competition in the U.S. meatpacking industry. With $1 billion in funding overall, the plan will target $500 million to provide grants, loans, and other support to help smaller, independent meat processing facilities either start up or expand. NCBA has welcomed this additional funding as one way to help alleviate the supply chain issues and lack of processing capacity in the beef industry. President Biden also said he intends to push for Product of the U.S. labeling reform, a topic which NCBA submitted a petition in favor of earlier this year. The president also alluded to additional enforcement of the Packers and Stockyards Act. We are awaiting more details as the initial announcement did not provide clarity on specific actions. To keep up to date on all the important issues facing you as a cattle farmer or rancher, and to help make a difference in the industry, join me as a member of NCBA. It's easy to do. Just call 866-233-3872 or visit the website ncba.org.